Douglas DC-4E, Douglas DC-4, Douglas DC-3, Douglas DC-2, Douglas DC-1, Douglas A-20 Havoc, Douglas AC-47 Scoopy, Douglas C-74 Globemaster, Douglas C-54 Skymaster, Douglas C-47 Skytrain, Douglas C-133 Cargomaster, Douglas C-124 Globemaster Roman II, Douglas BTD Destroyer, Douglas B-66 Destroyer, Douglas B-23 Dragon, Douglas B-18 Bolo, Douglas A2D Skyshark, Douglas A-4 Skyhawk, Douglas A-3 Skywarrior, Douglas A-26 Invader, Douglas A-1 Skyraider.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.